Never be able to ride through here during the day. Never. Be impossible. But at night, they don't mind. Looks like they've cleaned the whole place. Ooh, and how the heck is he gonna get down here? I don't think he's gonna. Nope. Dead end. And there's some stairs that I guess I could walk down. But I don't particularly care to do that, so I'll just ride through. Yeah, I do like this mall. Beautiful mall. We are going east right now, along the south side of it. I like that weight rose right there, it's nice. Let's carve some turns. Yeah. 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 Where'd that little fox go? Okay, we were already here before, so we don't need to come back here. So we'll go back over here, around the back of the shopping center. North Kensington over there. They like to call it Holland Park, state agents do. But just because you've got a W12 postal code doesn't mean it's actually any good, although it's not bad. There's your free parking there. Good old Westfield. The angle's good here. The West Cross route over there. I just went underneath the Westway up there. No, sorry, I didn't. Westway's up here. Yeah, there's such a nice feeling riding at night. The air is so fresh. You can see my breath. It's quiet. Just have to watch out for some of the elements, some of the people, although I haven't met any truly scary dudes yet. I wonder if this camera needs a bit of raising. That's okay. Actually, I'm going to crank it up just a bit. A view theater. A lot of construction going down here. There, we've cranked it up just a little bit. Yeah, it should be okay. Here we are back at Westfield. Let's go up here. Wood Lane Station. And that over there is White City. Former housing estate. Now a fairly decent area to buy into. BBC's over there as well. Wood Lane, White City Underground. Looks like this one's open as well. Yeah, let's go check out the BBC. I don't usually get any hassle from anybody. I think it's because I'm middle-aged. I look innocent, and I really am. And if I was trying to hide, I wouldn't have this camera on, bright light flashing. I've never been in here before. I think there's a college in here of some sort. Actually, I have been in here. I think in some cases people assume that I'm police or security or something, which might or might not be a good thing. I guess if they think you're security, then you could be a risk to them. I never attract any attention doing what I do. South Africa Road. Yep. Off the stadium is down here, I believe. We'll go down there real quick. Bike lane. Amazing how many people are out for 3:30 a.m. And again, I can say this is a city that never sleeps. I don't think New York has that record. I think this place has got that record. It's got one hell of a lot more class, too. Here we go. Nose is running. Loftus Road Stadium. I wonder which football club has this one. Look at that sign laid up, eh? Loftus Road Rangers, I think it said. Yeah, Queen's Park Rangers. Queen's Park Rangers, 1882. Oh, was that a shooting star I just saw? Queen's Park Rangers Superstore. Geez, I love this hybrid bike. There was somebody lurking amongst the shadows. La da 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 da. Look, Ma, no hands. Here's some sirens. Okay, where are we? Boy, this light is powerful. It's a it's a Tika Plus light. Oh, we must be on Uxbridge Road, I bet. It's a Tika Plus light, and it's I think it's got 35 lumens, and it got it mounted on my helmet. Some cars see me. I'm going to get one aiming in the rear too. Yeah, this is Uxbridge Road, I think. Wingsworth Real Estate. That's where that girl from Bush Hall. Yeah. The girl from Edmonton. She's a real estate. She's an estate agent. I met her when I came here a while ago. A nice bike shop around here somewhere. I've seen it before. Where is it? Shepherd's Bush Market right there. That's always cool. So we're back at Shepherd's Bush. There's the other market right there. For your info, ladies and gentlemen.